In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a high-converting LinkedIn bio using AI. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to LinkedIn. You can log in using your Google or Microsoft account, or simply input your email address and password. Now, if you've enabled two-factor authentication, you may need to verify your identity with a security code sent to your phone, so be ready to complete that step. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the LinkedIn homepage. Here, look towards the top of the page and locate the Me icon. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select View Profile, which will take you to your LinkedIn page. The next step is to add an important section to your profile, which is the About section. To do this, navigate to the Add Profile section button on your profile page. Click on this button, and you'll be presented with several options. Under the Core category, click Add About. This section is crucial because it's where you'll craft an engaging and compelling bio that not only captures interest but also effectively conveys your professional journey. When the text box appears, you'll notice there's an option labeled Get AI Suggestion. Now, this can be an invaluable tool, especially if you're unsure of how to start. With the click of a button, you can access personalized bio suggestions. However, it's worth mentioning that this feature is available only to users with a premium LinkedIn subscription. If you do have access to this AI tool, take advantage of it. It can serve as a foundation that you can modify to better suit your personal style and professional objectives. But if you don't have a premium account, don't worry. You can still create a high-converting bio by focusing on clear and concise language that highlights your unique skills, experiences, and professional accomplishments. One crucial aspect to keep in mind as you draft your bio is the incorporation of relevant keywords. These should be specific to your industry and can significantly increase your visibility in searches. Once you've drafted your bio, take a moment to review it, ensuring it accurately and positively reflects your professional identity. Remember, this is your chance to make a strong impression on potential employers, clients, or collaborators. Finally, once you're satisfied with the content of your bio, do not forget to click Save to secure your changes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively enriched your LinkedIn profile with a polished and professional bio that has the potential to capture attention and open doors to new opportunities. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope these tips will help you craft an impressive LinkedIn bio that truly resonates with your unique professional story.